so excited, Adeline. She's shaking from excitement. Oh, letter puzzle. Opening our stocking. Christmas 2014. Oh, that's a pretty nice puzzle. Pretty good. Oh, stacking it up. She already got her numbers puzzle and her baby bottle so far. Wow. Baby bottles. You're gonna feed your baby? Where's your baby? Oh, feed her some milk and juice. So nice. Nice feeding your baby. Do you want to see what else is in your stocking? Let's open this one. Elmo!
Open it up, Addie.
There's still more to see.
There's more to see. This is for you.
I know you love your bottles. I'm glad. Open the Elmo one. Want Dada's help? What's in there? Pull it out. Oh.
What's that?
You see a cat? Turn it over. Look, colorful stickers. That's pretty good, huh? We can put those on pictures when we make art.
Look, Daddy.
Stickers.
Stickers.
Stickers. Pretty good.